Boozhoo, this is week 5 of second step. In week 5, your child will be learning how to follow directions, how to listen and follow directions. One of the things you can do at home is play a little game called repeat. So you can say to your child, pick up 2 forks and put them on the counter, and then have them repeat it. I'm supposed to pick up 2 forks and put them on the counter, and then they do it. And then it's their turn to have you do something. So it's a little game of repeating. So they listen, and then they repeat it, and then they follow directions. And that's in week 5 of second step. This is the card you'll be getting sent home about a little boy named Danny. And Danny has forgotten what to do. So this is something you can talk about at home. What do you see? What do you see in this photo? And what does Danny do to help him remember what to do? And this is a little thing that you can do at home. So it's following directions. And so if you have any questions, don't forget to give me a call at the center, 715-779-5030, extension 2548. Giga Baba Men.